How to use LucidChart. Fast beginner tutorial. Open lucid.co, choose LucidChart, then sign in with Google, Microsoft, Slack, or email. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. To start, click Create. If you're new, I recommend starting from a template so you're not starting at a blank page. Pick something simple like a basic flowchart, org chart, or process map. Now you're in the editor. Here's the core stuff you actually need. Drag shapes from the left onto the canvas. Click a shape and use the connector handles to draw lines to the next shape. Double-click to type inside a shape. Use the top toolbar for quick things like color, font, line style, and alignment. If the canvas feels too zoomed in, use your scroll wheel or the zoom controls and click drag the canvas to move it around. If you want to build faster, use Lucid AI to generate a first draft diagram from text. Look for the Lucid AI option, then choose Generate Diagram and type something like create a flowchart for onboarding a new employee, request access, set up accounts, training, first week check-in. Generate it, then just add the shapes and wording to match what you want. When you're done, click Share to invite someone or export it as a file, like a PNG or PDF, so you can submit it or upload it anywhere. A quick note is, if you're on the free plan and you suddenly hit a limit or see an upgrade message, just remove extra objects so you don't need to start a fresh doc for the next diagram. That's it. If you want more quick tutorials like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Howard's How-Tos.